Okay, cool beans. All right, so picking up from Monday, um, Monday, this is the move that we was looking for the downward move. Um, I did want to see the dollar continue to drop down, but we see that decided to, the bulls decided to take over the market. So the dollar went on this bullish run. I'm cool with that. Um, we got this drop. That was a good reaction. We already know that there's a strong possibility the dollar could come back up here and retest this level. Dollar could come back up and retest this level or this level. So um, it's all good. Um, what that does is just it alerts me that the trend of the dollar may be changing. We may be seeing a reversal here. So that's when I look for this high to be broken and retested, which is right at our level. We get the retest. Now I see this push here. Now I'm looking to get in on this pullback so I can ride this thing up. Remember what I told y'all about these levels? They stay relevant even during the reversal. So we can see that here. Um, so now what I'm looking for with the dollar is I want to see is the dollar how the dollar gonna react when it reach this level right here. I want to see is it gonna start to lose steam and start to sell off again, or is it gonna push right through that level? If it push right through that level, then I expect for a dollar to come and retest this price level right here at the bottom of this structure. This is like 93.33. And then look for a reaction off of this structure. Maybe a pullback if the dollar decides to stay bullish, or the continuation to the downside. The equal lows right here, they are fairly equal. So I would love to see the dollar come up, retest the structure, come back down, take out this liquidity, and keep pumping to the downside. But we did get our down push from the dollar in the beginning of the week that I was looking for, and then we got the reversal, so that's cool. We move on to our currency pairs, starting with Euro USD. We got this buy in the beginning of the week. Caught that ride up for like 75 to 88 pips. Um, we was looking for Euro USD to give us a good 30 to 50 pip move, and we end up getting more than that out of it. That's cool. Um, and then, of course, as you've seen the dollar start to reverse and go bullish, then you start to see Euro USD reverse and go bearish, which is no biggie. We just peep the move. We wait for price action and market structure to form. We see price action break back down into this structure right here. We can get back in here off the sale, here off the sale, because this price zone right here is this 70 to 80% pullback of this downward move, which I told you that these levels still stay relevant even during the reversal. So once we see price reverse, come down, take out this low and make a lower low, then we wait for the reversal. I probably would have got in right here. I would have helped a little bit of drawdown, about 11 pips, 12 pips of drawdown, and then went straight into profit down to about 80 pips. So that's cool. Um, I didn't trade any of this though because I had got out the market off of this move right here, off of these 75 pips. I don't look to catch 200-300 pips out the market unless I'm trading like U30 and then 200 pips. You'll catch that in a week of an eye trading U30. But trading currency pairs, I only shoot for like 30 to 50 pips. If I look up and catch anything extra, then that's just a blessing. But yeah, so I was done with U30 Tuesday, Wednesday, yesterday. Monday or yeah, when did we get this move? Yeah, Monday. I was done Tuesday morning. I was done. So yeah, now what I'm looking for, um, looking back at the dollar, if the dollar keep pumping up, if the dollar pushes through this level right here, and looking at Euro USD, I would want to see Euro USD come back down. Um, maybe. I would want to see Euro USD at least come back down, retest this low or this low right here. So yeah, we'll see. However, if the dollar does, if this does become an order block and the dollar does sell off to retest these price levels right here, then Euro USD could buy up off of this structure here, off of this price level, and come back to retest these price levels up here. So we'll have to monitor that. But once you see the move, you already know. So once you see the bearish move or the bullish move, then you just measure the breakout and get back in at 70 to 80% of the breakout. So if you get a breakout up, then you wait for it to start to pull back. You measure that breakout, set your buy limit at 70 to 80%. Same thing, vice versa. If it breaks down, you measure the breakout, set your sell limit 70, 80% pullback of the breakout and catch the down move. Um, Moving on to GU. Same thing with GU. We reached our take profit for GU. This was the GU buy. You could have either got in right here. Monday night, I told you you could go ahead and buy. Set your stop loss tight. Your stop loss, I think I said set your stop loss for like 15 pips or something like that. But as you can see, price never even looked back, kept on buying, went up for 122 pips total. But I stopped, but our take profit was for like 95 pips. That's great. That's great pick. Great pick. If you got in on the retest, then you call like 60 pips. Still great pictures. You see the pullback, the correction, and then we see this low broken, and we see this pullback, and then we see another sell off, and then we see this pullback here. So if the dollar continues to be bullish, then we can expect for GBP USD to come on back down here and test the price action. That's about 100, 720 something. However, if the dollar pulls back, then we can see GBP USD hold this level, then possibly come back up and retest here or retest here, and then come back down. Well, like I said, we don't make predictions. We just let the market tell us what it want to do, and we just catch the ride. So, like I said, when I caught this move, I was done. So this move right here, I was just watching and monitoring this whole move. Um, I probably won't trade GBP USD until next week until the market opens Sunday. I like to do most of my trading on Tuesday morning at New York Open, um, or just New York Open. Period. Like when I trade, I like to do my trade in New York Open because that's when you see like the most volatility in the market because it's London and New York cross. You got the largest two um, trading sessions, the largest two trading sessions in the world trading at the same time. London session and the New York session. So it's the most volatile trading time of the day. When New York open, you almost always see a volatile move in the market. That's when I like to catch them. And if you want to, you can go back and back test it on your charts. Look at your charts, any chart you want to look at, as far as when it comes to currency or indices, and look at your chart and look at that 9 o'clock candle, and you'll see that almost always you get a very volatile move at 9 o'clock at the opening bell. So just a little nugget for you. Um, yeah. So moving on to NZD USD, we did get the buy. I wasn't really too excited about this buy, but we did get some good pickers out of that, about 50 something pips. Price didn't sell. NZD USD didn't sell off like Euro USD and GBP USD did. So I'm thinking that it's probably gonna lag Euro USD and GBP USD, and then we'll probably see a move out of NZD USD like this right here when in the beginning of next week when the market opens. So we'll probably see this move from NZD USD. That's what I'm banking on. So when the market opens, I'm already looking. I'm gonna go ahead and measure it up now. So money should be good now. Perfect. You may get it to feed. You may get it to. Yeah, we might get this move. We're gonna get this move this week. I'm talking about when the market open. I'm forgetting the day Wednesday. But I ain't trading no more this week. I'm done trading, so that's why I'm thinking Sunday. But yeah, we'll probably see this move tomorrow or tonight sometime. Between 9 tomorrow and Friday, we end and we'll probably see this move. That's what I'm thinking on because it should have gave us a good drop like um Euro USD. Not really, really, but um it could be some things going on with New Zealand that's not affecting NZD USD the way that Euro USD and GBP USD is are affecting each other. So I can't really say that, but I'm betting that NZD USD is gonna come back down and retest this level. May just only come down and retest this level, and then keep going. That could very well happen. And so since we're being very bullish, I'm not going to go against the trend because the trend is your friend, as we all know, as we learned in the basics. So um, I'm a look for what's that? If you do come up in 30, 40 pip move. Oh, almost that's almost a 50 pip move. So yeah, like a 45 pip move. And then we can see Euro USD continue to push up. If we get this to push down, yeah, and we can see NZD USD continue to push up. But if this continue to push up, then we very well could see uh, we very well could get this move. So like I said, I'm gonna be monitoring and we'll see the move when it happens and we'll be prepared. We'll be ready to jump in. Um, moving on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin did give us our buy. Gave us our buy. Good buy. Retest for another buy. And then we got this sell off. I heard some stuff in the news about this sell off. Um, Something happened. I think it was in South Korea with a big Bitcoin firm broker or something. They got raided and some craziness happening. That's when we seen this sell off. So, but it's still holding this structure right here, this price structure that we've been banging them off of. Banging like this price, this structure right here being golden. They've been guaranteeing what 1,300, 400, 900, and now it's what 200. So boy, that's true. That structure right there, that's the sweet spot for greed. But yeah, I want to see how Bitcoin reacts when it gets back to retest this structure here. If it uses this structure as a resistance, or if it uses it as or if it break through it and turn it into a support. If it break through it and turn it into a support, then we'll be looking to buy up to this next price structure right here. It's as simple as that. And like I said, man, we make most traders, 90% of traders fail because they overcomplicate trading. Um, my technical analysis are based off of measured movements based off of price action and market structure. So um, that's how I trade the markets. That's how I do my technical analysis. I look for measured movements in the market based off of price action and market structure. So that's why you see me pull out the fib and you see me measure the movement of price action and you see me trading off of the structure of price. And it's just as simple as that. Now it does take a lot of repetition, a lot of repetition. Like I'm 3 years, 9 months in, and so November will be like 4 years for me. So um, I didn't get here overnight, and it took me forever to learn that everything that I learned in the beginning was good and it's useful. The basis is useful, and this is really the basis: trading, market structure, and price action. Um, but it's just training your eye to be able to see. Um, but these levels are definitely true. Um, price action is definitely true, and you can see it. You been on the calls, if you've been trading with me for the last year or so, you see it. We've been killing the market. We've been killing the market, and we're gonna continue to, kill the market. Um, God willing, So yeah, man, Bitcoin, it is. This is what it is. Either use this as a resistance and sell back down to the structure or breakthrough, turn this into a support, and then we're gonna guide up to this. Looking at silver. Silver did hit our take profit. We got our take profit off of silver. This was the take profit. We wanted to see it come up here for a take profit, but as we can see, we had to sell off. So now, same thing, similar to Bitcoin. I want to see what silver do with this structure right here. Look like it don't want to push up above there. So we're gonna see if we can get silver to come on back down here and retest this structure right here. This structure is acting like another structure similar to the structure for Bitcoin. How we got all those plays off of that structure for Bitcoin. So I'm kind of almost certain that we're gonna get a big reaction off of this price level in this structure right here. I'm almost certain. And with this being silver, this could very well be an opportunity for like another 1,500 pip play. Um, quick like, easy like. So that's what I'm looking at for silver. And I think it's gonna be might be beautiful. Might be beautiful. But yeah, we got our take profit off of this. We was in here, or we could have got in that right here. I gave both of these. Both of these opportunities was given out, was made aware of. So we got the take profit and some extra. Got a little bit of extra. 322 pips extra. So that's dope if you caught that extra. I love extra. Um, moving on to gold. Same thing. We achieved. Um, if you didn't take that, you crazy. 17 pips away from take profit. And then we see the sell off. I told y'all that if price did come back down to here, we would have to wait and see if it held this structure price level right here or if it broke. And then we would wait for the retest and wait. And then we would expect for those to come back down and retest this structure. Now we see out this structure, we're getting a reaction. Prices are already 83 pips off this structure. More than likely, you're going to come up here to retest this structure here, 441 pips. Then we'll see if price hold this structure, if it break through, make this structure support, or if it uses this structure as a resistance and keep pushing that down to the downside. Do keep in mind that I did tell y'all that I do still want to see dollar come back down and retest. Not the dollar, I'm sorry, gold. I do want to still see gold come back down and retest this price here, 1863. And so this move here could have been a catalyst to cause that move um, that I that I've been waiting to see for gold to come back down and retest 1863 and continue its bullish move. So, but we'll see. But yeah, that was a good trade for us this week. Paid out 380 something pips. That was dope. Oil, remember what I told y'all? I said I wanted to see oil get back up here before I would even be interested in trading oil. Well, we never got back above there. Oil came up, retested, sold off, came back up, sold off again. So you just see these steps that it's making. It's telling you that, yep, I'm about to see it. And it came back down and retested this 41.15 price. That zone. And that was a good sell. I wasn't even really paying attention because once I seen it couldn't get back above there, then I figured all was about to sell. I just wasn't sure. And with everything going on, we in a hostile environment right now. Somebody could drop a bomb. Anybody could drop a bomb at any time, and all could shoot through the roof. So I'm just I'm just watching all right now. All's fun to watch right now. I'm not trading all. Moving on to um, U30, Dow Jones Industrial Index average. We got this liquidity grab that we was looking for. Got that. Then we seen the market buy off of that price zone, this 70-80% price zone, this discounted zone. See it buy off of, and then we see it come back down into that zone again, and then buy off of it. I told you guys that once price came back down into here, I wanted to see how it reacted to the structure. Same thing I just told y'all about the pairs that I just went over. We needed to see if it broke through this support and then made this support into a resistance, meaning boom, boom, which was a support, these two price levels, which was a support, now become a resistance. And then we see the move down. Or I said, if I see that price can't break this and make this a resistance, then I will be looking to buy you 30 for the continuation to the upside. So, and we see it, boom. So when I get, I mean, my sell, my buy limits will sit right here anyway, because I told you that these price levels hold relevant. So we in a bullish market in the first place. So we already know that we're bullish buyers. But however, we're going to always wait and see how price action reacts to the structure. Once we see these wicks like this, price not giving us strong momentum through it, strong bearish momentum to it, that's a sign. All those are indicators. And so I was in here. I went into profit there, came back down, went negative a little bit, and then we started shooting up. Um, if you missed this move, you could have very well got in on this move. And this move, I'm gonna show you how powerful these levels is, because these levels right here is from this downward. And this would have been you getting back in, getting in a sell, using these levels, getting in a sell. But let's just say you were wrong, that the market was going to continue its bullish run, which it did. You still could have used these exact same levels to re-enter on the continuation. That's how powerful those levels are. Because I actually wanted to get in. I actually had sell limits here. I had my sell limit here. And it came up, took me negative. Took me in profit, and then took me negative. Once I seen that bullish momentum break like that, and then I seen this candle break like that, I get in on this candle right here. I'm out of there, because I clearly know that the market, I clearly see that the market want to continue to be bullish. But I was in from down here, so I was out here, and the market continued to ring. I told y'all that I wanted to see um, U30 come up and make all-time highs, because we have had um, the other indexes, the other indices, NAS 100 and S&P 500, to make all-time highs and reach pre-pandemic levels, which we can see here. If we look at S&P 500, you see that this is pre-pandemic. It's already made new all-time highs. And if we look at NAS 100, we can see that this is pre-pandemic, and it's being made new all-time high. And it's just, it I'm speechless. But it is what it is. Um, So, like I told you guys, you heard me say this time and time before. If all other indices correlate, and the other indices have made all-time highs, then why wouldn't U30 follow? And as we can see, U30 is following. We've had this price accomplished. We've had this price accomplished, which was a gap. We've had that gap filled. Price is above it. So I wouldn't doubt, if by weeks in, that we will see U30 reach new all-time highs. And that's another 500 to 600 pips. So U30 paid out handsomely this week. We'll probably might start to see a pullback of some sort out of a correction out of 30. Matter of fact, let me see something. Um, market. So we'll probably see a pullback back down to here. It's about 70, 80% discount of this move here, and then see that continuation. So that's what I'm gonna be expecting out of U30. So y'all definitely keep your eyes open. Guys, definitely be taking screenshots of these levels and things, man, because um, the opportunity come and it goes just as fast as it comes. I'm telling you, you see it with your own eyes, not night after night after night, week after week after week, month after month after month. These levels been holding true for a while. So you know, if you're not trading these levels, man, that's on you, man. Because I'm telling you, the profits are being made, and it's a beautiful thing. You got to learn to trust your analysis, trust the process, let it play out. Keep your risk management in place. Y'all know that's my number one thing. Keep your risk management in place. You know what I mean? And just trust the process, man. But that's what I got for everything for the rest of the week, all the currencies, metals, crypto, and indices. Do anybody got any questions about any of that?
No questions.
Cool beans. So yeah, I'll be monitoring everything for the rest of the week. Like I said, I'm done trading for the week. I had a great week. Um, Hopefully everybody had a great week off of the trades from the beginning of the week, and I'm gonna try to make sure we end the week, that you guys end the week with a bang. So you got any questions or anything, hit me up in the WhatsApp group chat, and I answer the questions as promptly as I can. Other than that, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Um, have a great night. Let your family and loved ones and your friends know you love them while they still here. And as always, man, peace and love.